So, as I said, today I'm gonna show you the Delta mode on this scooter. Turn it on. Give it a shot. Now it's run only 21 km/h because I have a German scooter and I need to change the region. Maybe I need to restart it again. Yes. So that's it. So, and now if I'm going to connect the extra battery, the 12 volt external battery, I will have more speed. So now I have with the internal battery and with external one I have 48 volts. Let's give it a shot. Now it's back to the German maneuver, to normal. Let's flash it again. So that's the Delta mode. And don't worry about this. I don't know, I think I have a BMS issue. I checked everything, cables to the controller, from battery, from BMS, and all it's fine there, but I think the BMS have an error, but not because of Delta mode, it was before to do this Delta mode. So that will be the next project, how to remove error 21. That is the error that it showed me 21, but now it's flashed and it doesn't show anything. So that's it.